Hello friends, welcome to TeKnowledGeek. This is Akshay. Today we will discuss about the temp view. So there are two kinds of temp view in Spark. One is the normal temp view and another is the global temp view. So today we will discuss both and we will compare both and we will prepare for the toughest big data interview questions including Spark. Thank you so much. Please watch till the end. Let's begin. So the first thing is why a temp view is needed. So for the temp view is needed to run any SQL query on the top of any data frame. So you cannot write directly the SQL query on the data frame because there you can get the error, the table or view not found. So you need to create a view on top of your data frame, and then using the data that view you can actually query like a normal SQL query in Spark. So there is a limitation, like in the session where you have created that temp view cannot be accessed in any other sessions. So to access the temp view in the multiple session, we can create a global temp view. So the global temp view is created inside a like system created database like global_temp, and it should be accessed using the fully qualified name like select star from global_temp dot the view name you have given on top of the data frame. So let's check that using some example. And second, this is the biggest difference, and second point I want to let you note down is the lifespan of temp view is in what session it was created. So that session only it has the lifespan. But in case of global temp view, so if the created session also closed or stopped, then also you can access the temp view, but its lifespan is till the Spark application runs. So until and unless the Spark application is dead, you can access the global temp view, and until and unless the created session is stopped, you can access the local temp view. Let's see with some example. So first we will create a data frame by reading a JSON file. So this is my data frame df and df data, and I have read one of the JSON file given in the Databricks dataset. So that is blogs.json, and I just created the data frame. Let's see what data it is. So it has the data about blogs like campaigns, and then what is the first name and last name, what is the head, what is the ID, and what is the published date and the URL. So this is about the blogs data we have. So now if I want to access like write a SQL query on that data, how can I do that? So df_data is my data frame. I can write spark.sql. The Spark is the default session created by Databricks whenever you start the Spark application here. So I just write select star from df data, and then I just want to display the result. And it will give you the error like the table or view not found, because if you want to select anything from that data frame, you need to first create a temp view on that. So I just write df data dot create temp view, and given the name blog. So that is the temp view, and now I need to use it here. So there is another problem, the temporary view blog already exists. So you can write create or replace to like avoid this kind of mistake, both in case of local temp view or in case of global temp view. So I just write create or replace. Yeah, now you can get the same result as above using a SQL query. So if I just you want to filter out something, you just write as like you have uh, any normal SQL query, you can write a filter and you can get the data. Oops. Yeah, so you can write any SQL query on top of the view you have created. Now, if I just create a new session like Spark new is my new session from the same Spark context. We have a video on the Spark session and Spark context. You can check it for in the above link. Yeah, so Spark new is the new session you have created. Now, if I access this, so if I want to access the same view in the new session, let's see what happens. And I just copy the whole thing and paste it here. It will say same message like tabular view not found, because that tabular view is only for that created session only, the scope of it. So what you need to do here, you need to create a, and now you need to create a global temp view. So df data dot create or replace global temp view. You say blog g underscore global underscore blog. So now if I write g underscore blog, let's see what happens. So it also say that g underscore blog is not found, though we have defined it as a global temp view. So I have told already you need to use the fully qualified name. Let's see what all tables created in the new session. So I write Spark new dot SQL and show tables from global underscore temp, and I just write display around it. Oops. Yeah, you see the g underscore blog is the table created inside a system created database global underscore temp, and it's a temporary view. So it's a like global temp view, you can say. So you can check it in another way also using the catalog. So Spark new dot catalog dot list tables, and you can write global underscore temp. You see, so this is a temporary view created. So if I write here the fully qualified name like global underscore temp dot, then I think we can use the new session also the data. So I just need to write display around it or show around it, and then I can access the data from the new session as well using the global temp view. See, you can have the same data. And if I just write default, you cannot have that particular global temp view in the default. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for the next video. Please keep subscribing the channel and please watch for the topics you want to learn in Spark and Big Data. Thank you so much.